Infor CloudSuite Industrial is an advanced, highly flexible solution offering companies the functionality needed to compete in today's highly complex global environment. Purchasing, receiving, and managing inventory are critical functions for a manufacturing company. Paul Adams is a typical employee at a manufacturing plant that wears many hats. He needs the flexibility to access information whenever and wherever he is, and be able to quickly and easily communicate and collaborate with fellow employees. Paul logs into CloudSuite Industrial using a computer down on the receiving dock. He starts collaborating immediately, seeing a message from Cole in sales about an O-ring for Stevenson Sports. He also sees a message from Claire in customer service about a purchase order. Claire provided him a link to the order in question, so he can go directly to that order from here. Paul can see some pretty quick details about the purchase order. The part is due in today. The part in question is an O-ring, probably the part for Cole and Stevenson. He can also see the part is coming in from Grove City. Paul recently saw their delivery truck pull up, so the part should be arriving now. Paul can quickly go ahead and let Cole and Claire know what's going on. Back on his collaboration page, Paul can send a message directly in response to Cole. He enters his response and simply hits reply. Paul's message feed is updated automatically, and Cole will see this update as well. Paul decides to put on his receiving hat and receive the material. Paul typically uses barcode labels in a scanner to receive material. Today he'll do the same process using his browser and the factory track solution. Managing all warehouse and inventory operations across the organization is easy and intuitive. Paul can manage the movement of materials for all stages of the operation, count inventory, or track time and attendance across the operation. In this case, Paul simply needs to receive or get the material, and then receive the purchase order. Now he simply scans in his barcodes to receive the part into inventory. Once the item detail is validated, Paul simply enters in the quantity received. The receipt was successful. Paul has the option to print a label for the receipt, but plans to take the part directly to Cole, so no labels are required at this time. Since he only needed to receive the single purchase order right now, he is done receiving and can go back and update people like Claire. Paul creates and sends his message to Claire and responds. The response is now on its way. Paul has complete access and visibility to his messages, suppliers, purchase orders, and the ability to receive material all through a single user interface. With CloudSuite Industrial, Paul has the power and flexibility he needs to save him time and operate efficiently. He collaborates with key personnel across the company, easily reviews operational detail, and manages receiving and inventory for his company. To learn more about Infor CloudSuite Industrial's comprehensive capabilities for manufacturing, visit infor.com.